Today, we're in beautiful Santa Margarita, California to see the new 2023 Nissan Z race against this 2014 Stage 3 Roush Mustang. And this isn't just any Stage 3 Roush kit. This is a Stage 3 Roush kit built by our teen auto workshop, 12 to 17-year-olds building cars in the Petersen Automotive Museum vault presented by Hagerty, specifically for this purpose, performance. So today we're gonna do a quarter-mile drag race. We're gonna have some stats behind the cars through our partners at Dragy. You've got more modern technology in the Z, you've got more power in the Roush car. Now, without further ado, we all wanna see the race. Let's go race.